Hi guys, Cindy from Party America here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon arch, a garland, a swag. You've heard them called a lot of different things, but basically they're all the rage and they're a great way to dress up any party. You can put them above a table, on a fireplace, or for Halloween, I'm going to put this one above my doorway for trick-or-treaters. So basically what you need is balloons, and this is an option. It's called balloon decorating strip. We sell it in 25 and 50 foot, and what you get in the package is a strip like this with little perforated holes that you can pop the balloon ends through. You can also do it on fishing line or curling ribbon, and that's what I'm going to do today. You need a balloon pump to make your life a lot easier, and what we've got here at Party America is we have every size of balloon, and that's kind of what makes it fun and interesting. We have 5-inch balloons. We have pattern 12-inch balloons. We've got some great Halloween options with ghosts and polka dots. And then we've got your standard 12-inch balloons. With these guys, I like to, when I can, get a variety of shades, and that just gives your arch a little dimension. And then we even have 16 and a jumbo 24 to work with. So I'm gonna get started. So as you can see, we've been working hard on getting our garland together, and I'm just gonna add one more quad and show you how to do it. So I've taken 2 balloons here, blown them up to different sizes and tied them together, and I've got 2 more right here, and then you just link them together and go around a few times. Once you have it all together in a quad, you just stick it into the fishing line, and you're going to just wrap the fishing line around a few times to add it into the other garland. And then it really is just a matter of going back through, adjusting balloons. You can twist them, pull them down, and then you might want to go ahead and add little spacers wherever you need it. It's nice to have a few small balloons on hand, and once you get it hung up, you might want to do some adjusting. So that's how it'll look if you do it on a fishing line, and if you decide to use the decorating strip we talked about earlier, it might look just a little bit different. But another fun thing to do with this one might be to put some spider webbing or even glue on some plastic spiders. Really, the sky's the limit, whatever your imagination can dream up. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a happy Halloween.